But whatever it is, we'll carry on with the less number of students, and we shall wait for everybody to join if they do. Chalo. So what we were discussing yesterday?
So we were discussing the open window last time.
Okay. Open window was discussed.
Yes, sir. And sir, we have to discuss the Jalebi chapter.
Jalebi's chapter.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Jalebi.
सर मैम फ्री हो गई हैं वो 1 बजे ले लेंगे हमारी
सॉर्ट
क्लास
आउट हो गया है मैम 1 o'clock
वो
क्लास
मुझे आई एम नॉट आस्किंग ऑल दैट. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट आस्किंग फॉर ऑल दैट. ठीक है, व्हाट इज सॉर्टेड आउट और नॉट. ठीक है, till I get another timetable, till I get an official information, I will schedule this period on this day at 12 o'clock. ठीक है, if I get some other information, I'll definitely follow the instruction that I get from office. Okay, beta? So there is no need of further discussion. We shall discuss here. And if you are in the class, let us continue with the class.
Yes, sir.
Jalebi.
Yes, sir.
Who
Yes,
would
sir.
like to talk on this lesson?
Sir Prakhar. Sir Prakhar.
Prakhar speaks every day. He has prepared all the lessons nicely, and I'm happy, but I want somebody else to take the responsibility. Prakhar is speaking every day, and if nobody does, then I will call Prakhar once again. But is there anyone else who has read the lesson? No one? Or are you afraid of speaking?
Sir, I read the chapter, but I didn't understand that nicely.
You couldn't understand the lesson. Okay. So, फिर Prakhar,
Yes, sir.
you are the only option left. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Now the question is for all, and if no one answers, then Prakhar will. Prakhar, turn your camera on once again. Is this all your handmade art at your back?
No, sir. It's wall decor. No, sir. Sir, it is artificial.
Okay, it is ready-made. I thought you are such a good artist that you have made all this in your room. Okay. What is Jalebi doing in this lesson? The question
Sir.
is for all. The question is for all. Then I'll come to Prakhar.
Okay, sir.
Will someone like to answer this question?
Yes, sir. In this chapter, Jalebi role is that a boy was have money to submit in school, but he buys jalebis to eat.
With that amount of money
Yes, sir.
he got for his school fees. ठीक है. So the title of the story, Jalebi, is Jalebi because the boy stole that money. Would you call this stealing? Ankush,
No, sir.
would you consider this as stealing money or something else? He did not steal it from anyone. He did not steal it from his father's cupboard or from his father's pocket or anywhere. Still, would you call it stealing or not?
So may I say?
Yes.
Sir, I don't think so. He is stealing. But sir, उसने सर money waste तो कर डाला. क्योंकि वो मैम सर वो जो money
You don't consider it stealing.
तो sir, I don't consider it stealing.
Okay. Prakhar, what do you think?
Sir, no, sir. It's not stealing.
Okay, then what is it?
It is wasting money.
Sir, may I say once more? Sir, समझ में आ गया सही आंसर. Sir, it is stealing of money. क्योंकि सर उसने जो ये जो money था स्कूल फीस के जमा किया था उसने अपनी स्कूल फीस ही चुरा ली. जलेबी खाने के लिए।
जलेबी खाने के लिए नहीं, not for jalebi. He kept money and then to spend that money he found jalebis and he bought jalebis and ate. Stealing was not done for jalebi, but because he got the money, so he thought of eating jalebis. That is one issue. Fine, we are not going into jalebis. Before that, I am talking about this thing, whether it is stealing according to you or not. अच्छा, एक काम करो. The question is to everyone: how many of you think that it is stealing? Those who think it is stealing can write S, and those who think it is not stealing can write NS in the chat box. I don't want a neutral answer, beta. I want one answer. Somebody has written neutral. ठीक है. Almost everyone says it is not stealing. ठीक है. Can you coin a term for this? Can you tell me what will you call it if it is not stealing?
Spending money.
Huh?
Spending money.
Wastage of money.
Fulfilling of his wishes.
By spending money, buying something with that money which it was not meant for, fulfilling his, what did Aniket say? His wish with that money. But with whose money?
Parents.
Was that money his?
No, sir.
Sir.
No, sir.
Whose money was that?
His parents.
Sir, his
Parents.
parents.
Okay, his father's money. Though that money was meant for his school fees.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Father gave that money to him to pay it for his school fees. And he gave it to him because he had faith in him.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now he did not use that money. He did not use that money for the purpose it actually meant. He used that money for something else. Without his father's permission, who gave him money.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So what is it if it is not stealing?
Some misuse of money.
Misuse of his father's money?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Misusing his father's money without his father's information and without his father's permission.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did he have a right of misusing that money in that way?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Do you support him?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So, do you agree that it was an act which is not acceptable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then it is very similar to stealing.
Yes, sir.
Using someone's money, even if it is your father's, even if it is your father's money. See, according to you, stealing is when you pick money from your father's pocket. Means if it is in his trousers pockets or if it is in his coat pocket and the coat is hanging on a hanger somewhere and you take money from that and you use it the way you want, then it is stealing according to you. Right?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes,
you have
Yes, sir.
picked it by your own hands. In this case, the boy did not pick it by himself, but rest he has done everything that is equal to stealing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not informing his father of what he is doing with that money, not using the money for what it is meant. Okay? So you do not support his act, you do not support what he has done, and you consider it as
Stealing.
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 righteous act or not. Did he do what he is expected?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Acha. And at the same time, you all agreed that this is not an accepted act. He was not expected to do this, and
Yes,
the
sir.
act that he has done is not accepted, is not acceptable.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So it is very, very close, and it is almost stealing. Do not hesitate in calling this thing stealing. ये भी चोरी ही है. इसको चोरी बोलने में आप hesitate मत करो. है ना? ये भी गलत है. गलत तो ये भी है. गलत तो ये भी है कि mama gave you 100 rupees and asked you to go to a shop and get something, get few things for home. ठीक है, and whatever you bought was of 75 rupees, 80 rupees or 70 rupees, and you are left with 20, 25, 30 rupees. And instead of bringing that back home, you spend 10, 15 rupees on your chocolate or something like that. You know? That also is not fair. That also is not an acceptable act. There is no harm. You felt hungry, you needed that, and if your parents have allowed, you just ask them beforehand that if some money is left, can I have something of 10, 15 rupees for me? They won't say no. They won't say no. Rather, they'll be happy that you have asked for their permission.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But then it will become a fair act. It will become an acceptable act. Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
if he ask his father to buy jalebis, then the act is
He
acceptable.
wouldn't allow. He wouldn't allow. I have given one example. In your own case, when you get some money and you go to buy something for home, your mother has sent you, your father has sent you, and some amount is left. We are talking about that remaining amount. In that case, in our story, Jalebi, what happened? The amount given by his father was exactly the same amount which was needed for his school fees.
School
There was no question of any balance left. But his father has given him a fixed amount. Does it mean he can keep something out of that? He can steal it, he can keep it or spend it for himself?
No, sir.
So what we need to learn from this story is this kind of acts lead us into further problems. Have you seen that the boy was into a bigger problem later on?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And when you are in such a problem, what do? Who is the first one you remember in that situation?
Sir, God.
You ask for God's help, God's support.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Did God help him here in the story?
No, sir.
No,
He was
No, sir.
he was expecting that he will find the money, he'll get the money under a stone. And when he turns that stone, he doesn't find anything and he was disappointed. You will definitely get this kind of disappointments. Why will God help you in this kind of acts? God will help you if you are doing something fairly and honestly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will God help somebody who is dishonest?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
This is what we are learning in the story. Now, Prakhar, what is the story? Just tell it in 2-3 minutes. Finish it.
Okay, so the story is about a boy called Munna. So he lived in a place called Kambelpur, and sir he went to his school with 4 rupees in his pocket. But so when he reached there, he came to know that the teacher who is collecting his fees, Master Ghulam Muhammad, was on leave that day. That's why he could not give his fees. Gave his fees, and after the school, he went to the market. He went to the market where he found a very hot and crisp jalebis. So sir, he want to buy them, and he was get confused between that. Like he also wanted to buy the jalebis, and also wanted to give the pay the fees also. So, but sir, the 4 rupees coins in his pocket were like speaking to him, was they telling him that do not just buy these jalebis, and if you want to buy these jalebis, so what are you waiting for? Just buy these jalebis. But sir, he told him that I'm a very virtuous boy, so that I could not buy these jalebis. So sir, they all agreed with each other. But sir, when he reached his home, sir, his mouth was totally filled with water, and he can't wait anymore. He just ran back to the market, and where he bought the jalebis. And after that, sir, he ate a lot of jalebis that he is not able to eat anymore. So, sir, after that, he went to a gully, because what happened that his Chacha Jan was coming from the court. So he got frightened and went to that gully. So, sir, there he found a lot of poor beggars and the childrens. So he distributed all the jalebis to them, and eat a lot of jalebi also, and spent all the monies on jalebis. So like, sir, he was bothering, and after that, when he going to his home, he was bothering that what will I do, because he have also to eat dinner also. So he got very bothered, and he got very upset that what he will do. Then sir, in night, he finally decided that I will eat dinner. Then next morning, he went to his school, where he came to know that the teacher announces that I will collect the fees in recess and give you the scholarship on the next month. Actually, sir, what he decided, that he was agreed that what he will do, like, he was first given the scholarship by the teacher, and then he will pay the fees. But sir, here this is another condition. That's why he got very upset, and in the recess he ran away from the school, and like just started praying to the god that I'm a very virtuous, please help me. And sir, likewise he was doing, and he bunked the school one day, and another day he do a same. But sir, this news was reached to his house, and then he was like, finally, he was tired, and now he thought that let's talk to this, and let's tell about this to my parents. So sir, he reached his house, and so after that, like, it was the story, the end. And so he realizes that, like, if we just get everything by god, so what will be our motive of a life? So we can say that if he just always getting jalebi by asking god, so how do he learn to make jalebis? So sir, the stories and how the story.
What was the last statement, beta?
So the last statement is like, we have to do work for getting everything. We cannot just like ask the god and get it from the god by just asking. We have to do a work for it.
Have you all understood the story?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I heard 2
Yes,
years.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4,
Yes, sir.
5,
Yes, sir.
6,
Yes.
7, Others could not. Acha, who couldn't understand the story properly? Who wants this story to be discussed once again? Neither yes nor no. Then I'll talk to you individually.
Sir, no.
Samriddhi couldn't understand.
Sir, I understand.
You understood. Okay. See, how does the boy justify himself? He says, or he thought, he says to himself that when he gets the scholarship, he'll pay his school fees with that amount, with that money. And that day he was tempted to spend the money, eat something that he liked. When you have something in front of you which you do not actually have a right on, you don't have a right on that. But that thing will tempt you. Either it is money or some eatable. It will tempt you. And what do such temptations do?
Sir, they obsessed us.
Okay. And these temptations make you do something which will lead you into a bigger problem. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So you need to resist your temptations. There will be many things that will tempt you. यहाँ पे कुछ रखा हुआ है, let me pick it. Let me use it. Let me eat it. It doesn't matter too much. It's not a big deal. Let me do it. ये जो let me do it है, उसको आपको resist करना पड़ेगा. अगर वो उस वक्त कर लेता resist, and if he paid his school fees, and if he asked his father for some money, he did not need all that amount. He needed a little amount, right?
Yes, sir.
So he could have asked his father some other time. Or he
Yes,
could have waited.
Yes, sir.
भाई आपको कुछ मिला नहीं और उससे पहले आपने सोच लिया कि मैं उस स्कॉलरशिप वाले पैसे से ये कर लूंगा. Let it come in your hands and then do something. Whatever you want to do. But let that thing come in your hands. Do not plan before it comes. ठीक है? Now
Yes,
इस पूरे स्टोरी में
Yes.
जलेबी का सिर्फ इतना एक रोल है कि with that money he bought jalebis and ate. Jalebi is only symbolic. It symbolizes your temptation.
Yes, sir.
I hope everyone is clear with this.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
It took a long time to start today's class because there was some confusion amongst your class regarding the timetable, and that's why we are coming to the end of the class in 2-3 minutes. We hardly could discuss one story. Okay. So some time was wasted, but nothing can be done. We shall continue discussing the stories in the coming classes. Whenever we have the next, we have class on Thursday.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Yes, sir.
That is at 1 p.m. Okay. Chalo, which is the next story?
Sir, the
The
comment.
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 Comment one.
Part 1.
Comment
The
1 and 2.
comment.
The
The
comment
one.
1 and 2.
One.
Yes, sir.
One.
Part 1 and then
The
part 2.
one.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes.
It is a science fiction. Okay. Story of Dattada, who discovered a comet using his telescope, and he gave a beautiful name to his telescope. He calls it Divya Chakshu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Divine.
Yes, sir.
And because Dada is a Bengali, so instead of calling it Divya Chakshu, it is spelled as
Divya.
Divya Chakshu.
Dibya.
Divya Chakshu. Instead of V, they have written B. Let me inform you that it has been decided to delete these two lessons, Comet 1 and Comet 2.
Yes, sir.
Questions from these two lessons will not be asked in exam.
Okay, sir.
Okay? And one is Duck and the Kangaroo.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And there is one more, actually two more.
Grasshopper,
The glass of
cricket and the grasshopper.
Great stone face.
हाँ, Cricket and the Grasshopper, Duck and the Kangaroo, इन दोनों में से कोई है क्या? I'll check and tell you. I don't want to tell a wrong
Duck
name.
and the cricket. तो
और एक
पहले
लेसन भी है आपका, लेसन कौन
the
सा?
great stone face.
नहीं, वो नहीं, वो तो है, वो तो आपके सिलेबस में रहेगा. Summit within, perhaps.
So the summit within. The summit within.
हम लोग कर चुके हैं, हम लोग पूरा पढ़ चुके हैं.
Yes, sir.
हमारा कंप्लीट हो चुका है, लेकिन ठीक है, पढ़ लिया, बहुत अच्छी बात है. उसमें से क्वेश्चंस नहीं आएंगे एग्जाम में ना, और कोई एक लेसन इसके अलावा और रहेगा. ठीक है, तो कमेंट
सर
फर्स्ट
चैप्टर
है बेटा.
सर चैप्टर डिलीट बस इंग्लिश में ही हो रहा है या फिर सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में?
आई कांट टेल दैट बेटा, आई कांट टेल
ओके सर.
ना. यू कैन आस्क योर टीचर्स. ठीक है, यू कैन आस्क योर सब्जेक्ट टीचर्स. ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
है ना.
एनुअल एग्जाम स्कूल में होंगे या फिर
बेटा ये हम बिल्कुल गवर्नमेंट के गाइडलाइंस को फॉलो करेंगे. जो भी गवर्नमेंट के गाइडलाइंस आएंगे ना बेटा, स्कूल उसी को फॉलो करेगा, है ना. तो इसलिए जब तक गवर्नमेंट से कोई गाइडलाइंस ऐसे नहीं आ जाते कि कैसे एग्जाम करना है, कब करना है, तब तक हम भी आपको कुछ नहीं बता पाएंगे, स्कूल आपको कुछ नहीं बता पाएगा. ठीक है, तो बस अभी तो अपनी जैसे क्लास चल रही है. लेट इट गो ऑन लाइक दिस.
Yes, sir.
As soon as some information, some circular is received from government, whatever is taking place here at school, see, some doubt clearing classes are running here on the campus for class 9th to 12th, है ना. तो वो जो डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लासेस चल रही है कैंपस पे, 9 to 12 की परमिशन गवर्नमेंट ने दी हुई है, इसलिए चल रही है ना. तो जो भी गवर्नमेंट का जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आएगी, जो भी गाइडलाइंस आएंगे, उसके अकॉर्डिंग पता जैसे ही चलेगा आपको भी बता देंगे कि कैसे एग्जाम होने वाला है.
यस सर.
ओके बेटा, आप उसकी चिंता नहीं करो. हम अपना क्या काम कर रहे हैं अभी, हम अपनी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. वी आर एंजॉयिंग डूइंग दिस एंड लेट अस एंजॉय. मुझे लगता है अब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास से कुछ ग्रामर के टॉपिक डिस्कस करना शुरू कर सकते हैं.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये चैप्टर बचा है.
Yes, sir.
है ना.
New chapter add हुआ है एक और.
Yes,
Huh?
sir. The ancient education system of India.
सर दी एंशिएंट
Yes, sir.
एजुकेशन सिस्टम ऑफ
हाँ,
इंडिया.
ये कुछ बुक्स में है और कुछ में नहीं है ना.
Yes, yes, sir. In the new book it was added. It is added.
इसमें कुछ एक सॉफ्ट कॉपी सर्च करता हूँ एंड देन वी शैल
Yes, sir.
फाइंड आउट कि क्या हो सकता है इसके बारे में. ठीक है, आई विल फाइंड इट आउट. ठीक है
सर नेक्स्ट क्लास.
हाँ बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्लास में थर्सडे एट 1 PM उसमें हम लोग ग्रामर करेंगे.
यस सर.
Which topic?
विल डिसाइड.
Sir, active passive.
No, sir.
we shall decide and do on that day only. Okay, time is up. I have also another class, and perhaps you may also be having one more class after this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. At
That
1
sounds
1
great.
PM. 1.
Yes, sounds good.
But you were saying at 1 PM it is English class, which is already done.
Yes sir.